Hello everyone. So today is 16th of May and we are going to analyze what happened today during the market hours and why it happened, and we will see how the Nifty and Bank Nifty derivatives indicators performed. So first of all, if you have watched yesterday's video, I have clearly mentioned that reading the end of the day data, it seems that market will be or Nifty will be bounded for some time now. Okay, and so as you can see today, almost like the zigzag move. Okay, not much move on either side, and that's what happened. And now if you also analyze this today's end of the day data, so you will see that some long positions have been built up, but the short positions are almost the same. Okay, only some increase, but it's like almost the same. Call long positions have been somewhat decreased, but still almost the same. And put long positions have been also decreased because they have closed call short positions and also put short positions. Okay, but there is not much change from the previous day's data, and so again it seems that market will be range bound. So okay, now let's analyze why the first move. So nowadays you see that at the beginning there is some up move, okay, and then the down move. So the up move is being done to fool the retail traders, and then the down move is coming. Okay, but in the morning so the big players did put short and to make the market look bullish. So at 9:31 a.m. I told that at 15,800 there was put short going on. Okay, so now let's see. So here if you go and look at so at 9:31 a.m. let's look at where Nifty was. So this is the 1 minute chart. So 9:31 a.m. here almost touching 15,900. So let's consider 15,900, and then 15,800 put shorts were clearly visible, though some put shorts were being done at 15,900 but not significant. The significant amount was being done at 15,800. Okay, and then after that you can see let's go to the 15 minutes chart. Now after that you can see that market went till 15,976. okay, so 76 points up move. I always tell my members that please be satisfied with 50 points in Nifty, 50 max to max 60 points. Okay, one day it happened that Nifty came down 50 points, and then I told my members to close the trade, the morning trade especially, I tell them every day, and then Nifty went down more 100 points more. Then the member asked me, why did you tell us to close the trade? So that is what you have to follow in the stock market. Okay, so that is called discipline. So if you are not disciplined, then one day you will be at gain, and the 95% of the time you will be at loss. Okay, so here as you can see, our morning move or our morning prediction went right, but during 9:35 I also want that very few call short positions were still getting built up at 16,000 and 16,100, and that was a clear signal that market will be range bound, because when put short and so not a short straddle, but some points above call short is being done and some points below put short is being done, so market will be range bound. So until unless market gives a move on one side, like Nifty here as you can see tried to give a move below 15,800. It went till here 15,766, but if you have noticed during that time the put short positions did not close. Okay, so there were 22 lakhs positions, out of that only 2 lakhs positions got closed, remaining 90 to 20 lakh positions were still open, which were made by the big players. Okay, and I told that to my members that please learn that either when market is near about 15,800, I told my members that since in the morning put shots were done at 15,800, there are two possibilities here. Market will give downward move, and then if you see that the positions are being closed on by the big players, then you know that the move is going to sustain. Otherwise, if the positions are not getting closed, there will be a reversal. And the positions were not getting closed, and there was a reversal. Okay, but during this time when the market was coming down, some big players also made some short positions on 15,000, but very few. I mean, relative to 15,800 PE, it was very much small, the positions, and they made some call short positions on 15,800 CE. And so you can see, though market gave an up move, but again it came down and it was just zigzag move. Okay, so how we predicted the put short in the morning, if you see here, just you have to wait for the first 30 minutes for the score to balance out, because market is very volatile then. So don't expect that, I mean, in very volatile market your prediction is high probability that your prediction will go wrong. So just wait, and from 9:31 it was very clear that the score was increasing. Okay, and similarly for Bank Nifty also, from 9:31 you see this, or even before that, you can see that clearly the scores are increasing, and at 9:31 I told my members that put shots were happening, and I identified the strike price according to as shown here. Okay, so during the, I mean in the IV conclusion, it shows what instantaneously at those positions what is happening. Okay, then coming to that, and now if you see, so let's close this 1 minute chart here. So here the Nifty was almost flat, but let's see the scores till 11 or 11:15 to 11:30. So as you can see, the scores were positive. Okay, but if you can very well note that here it went to 32, and then it was decreasing, and it was very clear at 10:21 that the score has decreased to 5. Okay, and let's see where Nifty was at 10:21. So this is the candle from 10:15 to 10:30. So in between somewhere here. So still you see that here you got to the point that is the score is decreasing, and then you can see that again some stop loss hunting was done after that. Sorry, here. So this candle, and then again some stop loss hunting, and again some stop loss hunting, and so the score again went a little up, but again finally went down, and then finally negative. Okay, and so you get to know where you need to be cautious, and you can also initiate your position by checking the scores. So if you haven't taken the morning, then you can check that the score is decreasing, and then you can take your position also. And moreover, if you come here, that is when Nifty was coming down at around 12:30, so this is till 12:45 to 1 p.m. You see that it was the scores were negative. Okay, but look at here, minus 56 at 12:51, and then it was at 52. Okay, and then suddenly to minus 28, and then 27, and then it suddenly jumped. Okay, so during this period I also went and checked Bank Nifty score. So at around 12:30, if you see the Bank Nifty score here, that is, it did not it went negative, but again it was recovering, the scores were recovering. Okay, so even if you go and check out during this time, so here you see the scores have recovered. So that was a sign that both Nifty and Bank Nifty scores are in the same increasing direction. Okay, and so you have to be careful, that is some reversal might come. And the reversal came because, as I already told you, the 15,000 put positions were not closing. Okay, so that's what happened today. And I'm expecting that the market will be range bound for quite a few days before it shows some real move. And again, I'm warning you, please note down or please don't forget these levels. Okay, so here you have 15,647. So once that gets broken, please be careful. That is the next thing about the, Nifty might then touch 14,190. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.